Cream? Are you using cream?
This is
Milk?
It's almost like a gelato base.
Okay.
It's a mix. It has milk and cream in it.
And what else is in there? Oh, strawberries, because you got the strawberry shortcake. And that's really cold, right?
Yeah.
It's frozen, but it's still, you know, workable. Nice. Looks like an omelet. Looks like some eggs so far. Yeah. Cold. It's a cold omelet. Oh, there we go. It's good. I like it. It's starting to come together. You're mixing in ice, right? That's it?
Just freezing the plate, yeah.
Yeah. Coolness. How can you tell when it's ready?
You gotta feel for it.
Yeah.
You know it's not too much.
Just like anything, the more you do it, you know, it's just...
Like making a pizza.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That's exactly it. How many ice creams do you think you made?
Today?
In your life?
Oh, I have no idea.
Yeah, it's got to be 10,000?
Yeah.
1,000?
I don't know, I need a calculator. Maybe like 200 a day, 7 days a week, 9 months.
Alright. 200 a day, 7 days a week. So that's 1,400 a week. And
4.3.
no, 9 months. 9 times 4 is 36. 36 times 1,400.
4.3 weeks in a month, technically.
36 times 1,400.
38 points. Times what?
1,400 he makes a week. Times 30, times
54,000 in 9 months.
38 weeks? How many weeks?
38.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. 38.7 actually.
So you made 54,000 ice creams.
I'm retired.